Hello, this is my presentation, The Last Vacations. First of all, myself. My name is Alejandro Riaño, and my group is 56. I am 13 years old, and my family is my mother, my wife, and my dog. I work in the airport in Avianca, and I like music, I like dancing, I like watching movies, and I like to travel. And first of all, my experience in Santa Marta. Let's start. In my vacation, we going on Santa Marta City, and I was with my wife and my daughter. In this place I like because it's beautiful and the food is delicious. We stayed for the 3 days and stayed in building Nabusimakin and Altain. We going the beach to Playa Blanca, to Bahía Concha, Taganga, Pozo Azul, Minca, more beach. After that, we go in the attractions in the beach. Then at the restaurants because delicious food and the plate is beautiful. Okay, continue. We are there in Santa Marta. In Santa Marta city and it's coastal and very sunny and dry. General, it is in February and the October. It's very hot. Continue. Finally, and water in Santa Marta. Excuse me. And it's recommendations. Recommendation in Santa Marta. It's should go to all restaurants because very food and very delicious the food, and they should to go all attractions and on the beach. They choose to with all family and they relax. It is good in this good place. For the childrens, it is an ideal place for marriage because this place very romantic and they should water enjoy it because very pleasant. Thank you very much. This is my presentation, The Last of Vacation. Goodbye. Thank you.